You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all this acronym that you probably know really well, because it's the initialism of the keepers of the lost cities or cities. Now, many pronounce it as KOTLC, okay, that's easy enough, but many also pronounce it as KOTLC, KOTLC, or KOTLC, or Keeper of the Lost Cities. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.